Mustang Coupe. 1991 AC Cobra 427, and yes, it's a 4-speed, guys. So let's take a peek at this beautiful tribute car, AC Cobra. What's amazing about this AC Cobra is the mileage on it. It's got 900 miles on it, or 900 plus. I'll give you the exact number in a second. But that's a 427 in there, so yippee-ki-yay on driving this car, if you know what I mean. It's kind of a Bruce Willis reference from Die Hard, because this has got to be a fun car to drive, being a 4-speed with a 427 in a very, very, very light car. And it's got the Hurst shifter. Actually, no, it's not a Hurst shifter. It's a, well, my eyes can't focus on it, but you guys can read it. I'm forgetting to put my glasses on when I'm shooting video. I don't trust the lens anymore. You know, it's all about trust. Anyway, paint is perfect. Looks like it's got a convertible top snap-on. Actually, it's probably, no, it most likely is a hard top. Don't have information on that, but I do have video on a beautiful body, because I just love this style of this British body, the AC part of the Cobra. And then the 427, again, this is a tribute car, but the 427 is what Carroll Shelby put in some of his cars, original cars. 40,000 or 40,995 is the asking price. It's a 4-speed manual. Here's the details. You guys can freeze frame that if you want to read everything. There you go. Here's the copy. Red interior, exterior, obviously. Black interior, obviously. And there it is. There's that mileage. Look at that. 957 miles on this 427. So you can call Gateway Classic Cars of Philadelphia. See? Look at that focus problem. There it is. You can call Gateway to find out the details on this car, but for 40 grand, this would be a very, very fun car to drive around, if you know what I mean. Personally, I'd love to take it out to the track, because this pony car wants to run. It's got huge reverse lights on it. Not used to seeing that. Blinker tail light. Tires look great. I know the tires are not a big concern when you're dealing with a car with 900 miles on it, but it's in the details, and this sure looks good. The way the rims look, they almost look like original rims on the car, which is kind of cool. So there it is, 91 AC Cobra tribute car, up for grabs, as they say.